Do you feel like you're constantly dusting your home only for everything to be covered in a thin layer of dust again just a few days later? Believe it or not, the problem might not be your cleaning routine. Your house could actually be pulling dust inside from outdoors. If you're tired of constantly busting out the feather duster, let me help you out. A dusty home isn't always caused by pets, kids, or leaving the windows open. In many cases, it's actually an air leakage problem because your house is constantly moving air. As warm air escapes through your attic and upper levels, replacement air gets pulled in through the lower levels of your home. This is called stack effect, and dust travels with that moving air. When outside air enters your home, it can bring dust, pollen, dirt, insulation fibers, and other airborne particles along for the ride, and that dust may be entering through places you've never actually even seen. Common entry points include your rim joist, crawl space, basement, wall cavities, attic penetrations, and gaps around plumbing or electrical lines. Your HVAC filter, it's not going to catch everything, so if the air is entering through leaks in your building envelope instead of moving through your HVAC system, your filter, it never gets the chance to capture those particles. So by limiting uncontrolled air movement, you can often reduce the amount of dust circulating throughout your home. If you're tired of dusting the same surfaces over and over and over again, it may be time to look beyond your cleaning supplies and start looking at how air is actually moving throughout your home. Using air sealing insulation, like RetroFoam injection foam, can improve not just your dusting schedule, but it can also improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. If you want to learn more about how insulation and air sealing can improve your indoor air quality, check out our Learning Center. There you're going to find tons of resources to answer all of your questions. I'm your building science brainiac, reminding you to bring a little science to every project.